German Chancellor Friedrich Merz has finally arrived in China. Driven by forward-looking members of the German business community, he has broken through the barriers of conservative ideology and values, aligning with the overarching global trend and Germany's national interests. This move is commendable. Most importantly, however, is the fundamental truth: Germany needs China. Firstly, Germany's technology and manufacturing sectors need China. In recent years, due to misguided domestic and foreign policies by German politicians, the German business community has suffered significant setbacks. Germany's Industry 4.0 initiative has nearly become Industry 4.04. The long-standing and deeply rooted industrial cooperation between China and Germany has frequently been hampered by political intervention. German enterprises have gradually lost their competitive edge in fields like new energy, artificial intelligence, the digital economy, and high-end manufacturing. German entrepreneurs urgently need their government to adjust its policy towards China. Consequently, 30 leading companies in the automotive, chemical, machinery manufacturing, pharmaceutical, logistics, and financial services sectors, including Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz Group, Siemens, Bosch, Airbus, Bayer, BASF, Adidas, Henkel, DHL, and Commerzbank jointly push the Merz government to change its China policy, abandon ideological confrontation, and enhance their own core technological competitiveness through cooperation with China. Thus, the German government's previous notion of decoupling from China has given way to more pragmatic discussions about engagement with China. Secondly, Germany's trade and development need China. With the rapid advancement of China's high-end manufacturing industry, Germans have realized that the era of Germany supplying the blueprints, China running the factories is over. Today, Chinese companies are competing directly with them in the high-end manufacturing arena. Facing this powerful China impact, the Merz government must find ways to balance China-German trade and create new opportunities for Germany's development. A key task for Merz during this trip to China is to finalize aircraft orders for Airbus. Furthermore, by visiting companies like Unitree Robotics and Siemens Energy, he aims to find partners in AI, industrial internet, and scenario-based applications.
This is very interesting. I haven't seen that before.
Developed so quick, and this is impressive.
Finally, the geopolitical balance in Europe and the world needs China. Germany's philosophical tradition of rationalism should lead Merz to recognize that the EU-China Comprehensive Agreement on Investment, finalized under the Merkel government, could be a powerful stimulant for the German economy. However, ignorance, parochialism, and ideological bias among some politicians led Germany to miss this opportunity for development. The subsequent outbreak of the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the rise of what might be termed Trumpist isolationism in the United States have fundamentally altered Germany's geopolitical and geoeconomic environment, with Europe embroiled in conflict and Germany's longtime ally, the US, appearing increasingly chaotic. For the sake of Germany, and for the sake of Europe, the Merz government finds itself compelled to turn towards China. Chancellor Merz's next diplomatic stop is Washington. It is hoped that he will come to the same realization as German entrepreneurs. The resilience of China-German relations lies not only in the impressive 251.8 billion yuan in bilateral trade surpassing that with the US, but more deeply in the profound industrial integration and mutual need. May the year of the horse inject strength and bring new momentum to China-German relations.